Hi, Dr. Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs, Love, Light and Gratitude. Well, friends, we all yawn, don't we? We all yawn. And it can mean a lot of things when we talk about the emotional body that is ours. So, what does this yawning signify? Do give me your answers in the comment box. I'll give you mine this evening. The most common thing we believe about yawning is it is sleep deprivation. Yes, probably that is one of the reasons, and also it is contagious. However, let's know more about it and how to balance the emotional discrepancy when we are yawning. And please do remember to get in on board for the switch words class, and also avail the early bird offer. Do not miss that. That's 50% off. Thank you so much for joining me, Dr. Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs, Love, Light and Gratitude.